Welcome to 55 Woodcrest Court in Kitchener's desirable Dune South neighborhood. I'm William Forbes from the Rego team at Corcoran Horizon Realty. Spacious family home with in-law suite. A large pie-shaped lot with in-ground pool. Located on a quiet court just minutes from the 401. With over 4,000 square feet of living space, this 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is perfect for a big family or one that likes to entertain. The main floor is bright with an open concept layout. The kitchen is the perfect size with lots of space for cooking and gathering. Upstairs, you'll find spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite with this terrific private ensuite. A huge bonus to this home, the fully finished basement, which includes a separate in-law suite, providing a private space for extended family or guests. Also, nearby is Conestoga College, plenty of shopping, parks, and hiking trails. Outside, the large backyard is an extension of the living space, featuring an in-ground pool, fire pit, and plenty of room to enjoy year-round. With a 3-car garage and extra long driveway, this home offers ample parking, and with quick access to the 401, this location is perfect for commuters. This home has it all and is an absolute perfect location. I'd love to show you in person. I'm William Forbes. Give us a call at the Rego team at Corcoran Horizon Realty.